Okay, Daniel, so what have we had done?
So yesterday we replaced the floor. We had to put sheet over the original floor because it was rusted. It was not badly off, but then
Right.
we have to make it a bit better looking and a bit standard. So we welded all these 4 bits.
Right.
Yeah.
So
yeah. Then we had to apply a bit of, it's called Bondex, for waterproofing and stuff.
right.
Yeah.
Well, it's not pretty,
Yeah.
but it's going to do the job for us on this.
For some time, yeah.
So that's okay. So
Because we still have another sheet to put on top of this.
that's it.
Yeah.
So yeah, not bad. Still some little bits of work to do.